In the previous video, I showed you that when you have one bracket times another, it's like you doing this: a times c, and then a times d, and then it's this, and then it's this. So in this video, I will give you some examples. So what is this bracket times this bracket? So get this times this. So basically these two multiplying each other would be x times x. That would be x squared. And then this times this, x times 2 will be plus 2x, okay, and then this times this, which will be plus 3x, and then this times this, 3 times 2 is 6, so plus 6. Now look at this. Remember, this is one entity, this is another, and single numbers on their own are like one entity. You can merge them together. Well, it's like you saying, this is your elephant, this is your giraffe, this is your giraffe, this is your hyena. So here, giraffe, giraffe. You can merge the two together. So it becomes this. Hang on. It becomes x squared. Leave the elephant alone, but merge the two giraffes together. So it would be 5x plus 6. Okay, so this is the same as this. Okay, so next example, this one here. So again, the only difference is that we've got a minus here. So well, just do this. This times this, so that will be equals x squared, and then this times this. Well, don't forget it's minus 8, so it will be minus 8x. Okay, and then this times this, that will be plus 4x, and then this times this. Don't forget it's a minus 8, so it would be minus 32. Minus 32. Now this is your elephant, giraffe, giraffe, hyena. So you well, merge the two giraffes together. So it would be x squared minus 8 plus 4. Well, look at your number line. You start at this is 0 here. You start at minus 8, and then you have to add 4. Well, you start at minus 8 and then you add 4. You're still in the negative realm. You'd be at minus 4. So minus 8 plus 4, it would be still be minus 4. So it'd be minus. Oh, hang on, sorry. So it'd be minus 4x minus 32. So this thing here is the same as this thing here, but just written differently. Okay. So now this one here. So again, it would be, we've got two minuses here. So it would be this times this. So this will be x squared, and then this times this. Remember, it's a minus 7. So it'd be minus 7x, and then don't forget it's a minus 5 here, because the minus always belongs to whatever's after it. So this minus belongs to the 5. So minus 5 times this, it will be minus 5x, and then minus 5 times minus 7. So minus times a minus, so that will be positive 35. Okay, merge these two together. So minus 7 minus 5. If you look at your number line, you start at minus 7 here, and then you've got to go minus 5 in this direction. So it would be minus 12, sorry. So it would be this, x squared minus 12x plus 35. Okay, so this is the same as this. Okay. Okay, now imagine this. Imagine this is my house here. The width of my house is x. The height of my house is also x. So this is my garden down here. So I could say, well, this length here is twice the length of my house. So I can just say 2x. And then this here would be an extra 7 meters or something. And then this length here, let's say this length here is 3 times the height of my house. So I could just say that this length here is 3x, and then add an extra bit in here. So what I'm trying to say here is that if you get this length here, okay, so it would be 2x plus 7 here, Okay, work that out first, and then times the whole length here, which is 3x plus 2. Okay, well again, work out this area here, which is this times this. So 2x times 3x, that would be 6. That would be 6x squared, and then this times this, that would be remember we are getting this timesing this here, so that will give us this bit here. Okay, so that would be plus 2x times 2, that will be 4x. Okay, 4x, and then and now do this times this. So 7 times 3x, that will be 21x, and then the 7 times the 2 here, that will be 14. Okay, so basically this area here is 14, this here is 21x. Whatever x is, we don't really care. It's just the width of my house. So here now look for entities that are the same. So here this is the same as this. So we can merge these two together. So this will be 6x squared plus, well, 4. Let's say you've got 4 elephants plus 21 elephants. So you have 25 elephants. And then plus 14 stays on its own. So this thing here is the same as this thing here. I notice that all these are different now. You can't merge anymore. This is your elephant. This is your giraffe. This is your hippo. They're all different, so you can't merge them. Okay. So now if you have something like this here, you can still use the same technique here. Just get this times this, and then this times this, and then this times this. Okay, so it will be AC plus plus AD plus AE. Okay, plus AE, and then plus, now do this, B times C, which is BC, plus B times D, which is BD, and then plus B times E, which is BE. So this thing here is the same as this thing here. Okay, so really I can give you anything, but I can pretty much give you anything, and all you have to do is just multiply the 2. So this thing here would become 15x to the power of 7, y to the power of 8. Okay, now this times this here. Don't forget there's a minus here. So this would be this would be minus 24 x to the power of 9, y to the power of 2. Sorry. Y to the power of 2, z to the power of 4. Okay, and now it's this times this here. That would be plus. So it will be plus 10x to the power of 4, y to the power of 6, z to the power of 4, and then this times this here, which would be minus 16x to the power of 6. No y, so z to the power of 8. Okay, so this thing here is the same as this thing here. In the next video, I will give you some practice. Okay.